Welcome to Sun Lakes, Arizona, your premier master plan active adult community in the East Valley. Developed by Robson Communities, it is a resort-style oasis for retirees located just south of Chandler, Arizona. This master plan community boasts 5 subdivisions: Sun Lakes Country Club, Cottonwood, Palo Verde, Ironwood, and Oakwood. Sun Lakes is a highly stable community with an 87% home ownership rate as of 2026. The current median resident age is approximately 73 years old. And they do drive golf carts on the street. I've seen it. I've driven one myself. The community features 40-plus stocked fishing lakes and miles of walking paths. Sun Lakes has a prime location just minutes from the Chandler Fashion Square Mall, major healthcare facilities, the 202 Loop, and the I-10 freeways. This retirement oasis in the Southeast Valley is sought after and a favorite destination for retirees from all across the United States and Canada. From a visual appeal standpoint, there are hundreds of homes with golf course lots, waterfront lots, and lakefront views. Enjoy some of the local dining fare at the Stone and Barrel, the Tap House, or the Palo Verde restaurant. Amenities include heated pools, fitness centers, and libraries. Multiple golf courses cut through Sun Lakes, including Oakwood and the private Cottonwood Country Club, hundreds of charter clubs, tennis, pickleball, art leagues, and the like. The housing market is primarily Robson Community resale homes. From manufactured homes in the original Phase 1 of Sun Lakes to the custom estates in Oakwood, Sun Lakes offers a variety of floor plans and price ranges. Many homes have gone through renovations in an effort to modernizing some of the older properties. You'll discover all walks of life residing at Sun Lakes and a ton of social activities to choose from. I'm Brent Hammonds, Associate Broker and Realtor with HomeSmart Real Estate, your trusted and local real estate resource, helping clients in the Valley since 2002. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more community videos like this. Links to search the Sun Lakes MLS are located in the description, as well as my contact information.